Tara guys!
You're like hubog.
Come on!
Go, Rem! Go, Rem! Go, go, go!
Go, Remy!
Go, Remy!
Go,
Go, Remy!
Go, Remy! Go!
Ah.
Go, go, go! O, di ba?
Kaya? Ah, sabi naman dyan, yehey! Ah. Nalibang ka dyan? Nalibang si Jude.
Ito yeah.
May tao sa likod nila.
It's okay. Doon pa yung lake na pwede kang mag-rent. Doon yun.
Hindi ba tayo dyan nag-start?
Ang ganda ng view. Uy, mag-focus ka sa dinadaanan mo, ha?
Hey! Have fun! Watch your step! Look at the beautiful mountain.
Tama na yan, Mary.
Whoa!
O, picturean mo siya. Maganda yun.
And then you made it!
Ang ganda niya.
You made it! I did it! I made it! I made it! Grabing mahal naman ito. Are you okay, guys?
Si ate mo, tulog ka dyan.
Yeah. I'm here.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something got them.